So if you just share the journey, like how the thing started and what have you got from marketing 2.0, few things which is really transforming the way it is.
So, like when I was scrolling through my Instagram, I saw this ad of, there's someone who's going to reach above JNU. And I registered for it. But then after that, there's no communication for a month or so. I tried reaching out to IC at that point of time because
I think, yeah.
I posted in that platform, and then again after some time, I saw that this course is there. So I just commented on that, saying that it was a very small amount, but it was all about trusting someone. I commented that there hasn't been any communication post payment. Is this some spam or scam thing that's going on? Immediately, like within an hour, I got a response from them. Like, you can definitely reach out to this number and it will be taken care. And I joined this DMP course. I purchased it in the very first call or the session that we had. Post that, we've had some interactions on the business side. And Danu said, like, I happened to attend Danu's 5-day lead challenge program. So post that, when I joined Marketing 2.0, my mindset was like, the judger mindset. What will not work? It's like trying to be cautious, assessing, what's the worst that could happen. And that is a transformation, I would say, like getting into that learner mindset consciously. The second thing is like, I'm a person like who thinks, right from childhood, I don't come from a business background. So sales was something that we consider as a bad thing. If your product is good, if your service is good, people will automatically come towards you. And one thing that I learned in this marketing 2.0 was like, if you want to do better service, if you know that you are good than the other people in the market, you need to reach out to people. It's like basically doing injustice. When you know you can do a good work better than someone else, you need to reach out so that you can do a larger good. That's the second thing. Sales is something that I'm learning after marketing 2.0. And third is ARC. So like, though you have that good intention for your client, sometimes when you don't communicate in a certain manner, and when you don't have that KIT in place, people wouldn't consider you as that close one who they can reach out to you anytime. So these are the things that I work on after getting into marketing 2.0. It gives me a confidence, like, with learner mindset, we see abundance of opportunity out there. So that is a greater transition that I saw.
One or two key transformation which you just saw before marketing 2.0 and after marketing 2.0.
Positive mindset.
Yes.
So life was good for me, thanks to God. But then there was a roller coaster in between, which which had an impact to have some negative mindset towards things. So that is a transition I really I would like to share on here. And second is having that KIT and ARC which I was lacking.
Very nice. Good.